A real business owner posted this job on Upwork. He runs three businesses at the same time: a pharmacy, rental apartments, and a home that cares for elderly people. His problem is simple. His brain is full. ChatGPT forgets him after every single check. His inbox never stops, and important things keep slipping through the cracks. So, this is what I built him. Meet Meridian, a second brain that never forgets. One screen, all three businesses, what's urgent, what's waiting, and what's happening today. Pain number one, memory. Watch this. I ask, what did I decide about hiring last month? And it finds the exact decision, the reasons, the budget, the date, like a search engine for your own life. And you can teach it. I tell it something new. And it's saved forever. Think of it as a save button for your brain. Ask about Janet, and boom. The new fact is right there next to everything else it already knows about her. Every decision, every conversation, every fact from 6 whole months. On one searchable timeline, color coded by business. Way number two, email. 15 messages, 3 businesses. Meridian reads every single one, sorts them by what actually matters, and tells you why. This insurance audit has a deadline, so it goes straight to the top. And look, the reply is already written in his own voice. Just hits approve. Way number three, things slipping through the cracks. Every promise gets pulled out of email and given a due date. The overdue one sits right at the top. Nothing gets lost. And this is not a toy. Every piece maps story and production tech, GPT-4o. Vector memory, the Gmail API to secure cloud storage. The full build takes 6 weeks. This prototype took one weekend. And that's how you turn a client's pain into a working product. More build like this are coming.